To the greeter. Yo, man, you mess some white shirt in my youth. You feel like. Yeah, don't. What man do? Yo, what man do? What man do? What I'm doing my.
Hey, the greedy family. Welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey, the greedy family. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have.
You tell him first, lady.
Today we have blue crabs. Yes. With some mussels and some corn. I had some leftover mussels and some leftover corn and I just threw it in there. Yes, I'm telling the business.
Chatty Shanice.
I do not have an outfit of the day for you guys today, but there will be one for you guys tomorrow. I just wanted to eat my food today.
Yes, because we want to eat. Damn, you got. You didn't even tell me we could eat. You talking and you explain everything already so far. So you're fussing me already, man.
Oh my goodness, boy. I just have some sauce on the side, some butter sauce.
Yup.
And we're ready to dig in. Already dug in already.
First lady, question.
Answer.
Why do they call this blue crab but when you boil them orange? Somebody tell me that. It's called blue crab, but now look at it, it's orange, right?
Oh, but before they're boiled, they are blue.
Oh yeah. Okay. And what's our favorite crab? Which one we like?
Blue crab.
Yeah, but what?
King crab.
But no, the man or the woman.
Oh, the woman.
Yes, we like the woman. I don't. Okay. Why we like the woman crab?
They have more eggs.
Yes, we love the eggs.
Honey, this pepper now?
I'm going to say pepper, man. Be pepper, nighting one. Yep. For all the crab lovers, no matter what kind of crab you eat. What is right here?
Blue crab. You know how long I wanted to make this?
First, they've been talking about it forever. But family, we eat crab all the time, but we just do it off the camera. You know what I'm saying? And should I pierce it down? Should I pierce it down? And
roll my sleeve up.
Roll the sleeve up, girl. And me and First Lady, when it's crab season, we go catch them. Yep, we got crab. We got crab tracksuit.
Yes.
We do everything. We hunters. I gave you a napkin, right?
Yep. Pepper doing you?
Nice though.
So, you guys know I eat slow.
Oh gosh. Let me tell them. Y'all already know First Lady eats slow. Watch how slow she eat now when she eating crab. My gosh. All is gonna be done before she's still gonna be on one. You tell them the story already?
I like to get all the meat. Oh yeah, I told them the story about it already. The man in the store.
No, man.
Oh.
Your mother buy crab for you, so you take your time.
Oh. I'm gonna definitely tell them that story. Yeah.
But before we get any further, how y'all doing? How you doing? Well,
oh, sorry. Go ahead, my love.
Because we're gonna be here a while, so relax and watch how you eat crab. Whoever don't know how to eat crab, just watch how we do it. Now, First Lady, how you season with this with again? You put a lot of with Scotch bonnet.
You put Scotch bonnet. Old Bay. I put the liquid. You know, I had something else that I forgot to put in there, but next time I'll put it in there.
Well, it's fine to me. But yeah, crab lover, we love crab.
We're gonna definitely do this again.
First Lady, this sauce is hitting. For real, son, you be really on point with that sauce, B. Okay. Oh!
Pepper.
No, man. The muscle dropping 19, man.
Yeah.
What's First Lady? Take her time.
You know what I hate? To watch people eat crab and they waste it. That's why
I tell them to watch us.
That's why my sister always ate more crabs than me because she just chew it up. She don't have the patience to dig through the crab and get the meat. See?
But I do it, but I get the meat though. Yeah, I do.
You're wasting the crab.
Joe can't make more music crab my unit.
I know. That's why I'm saying it, because you do it too.
Otherwise, nothing. You can't take your time. I get all my meat.
Sam, I know we're not talking much.
We're gonna be talking a lot.
We gotta dig in.
Just watch. Watch how you eat crab. This is how we do it. You know what I'm saying? This is how you eat it. We don't play around with it.
Do you guys like the what it called? The egg?
Yeah. Calm it down. If you like the male or the female crab, the female carry the eggs. The orange stuff that's in there, that's the egg. We like those. The male first egg, bro crabbing. We get the male, we don't want them. we want the female.
I remember when I lived in Philadelphia, there used to be this place that my friend and I we would walk to.
Good?
Ooh, yeah man.
You open your water already?
Ooh.
You open your water?
It used to be walking distance from our house. My guy, he would sell these. Just the claws. That's it.
Used to buy them up.
And he was season it so good. And as kids, I'm probably like 12 years old. I remember just sitting in front of the building where I lived at, and that's all we did was just eat the claw. We ate it so, because you know, what he did was he boiled the crab legs, and then he would just throw some of the Old Bay seasoning on there. And it tastes good, but you guys know Old Bay seasoning, after a while, you just keep on eating it, it starts to make your mouth, your lip burn.
Yeah.
So, but I would sit there and eat it until until my lip burns.
Cribbing your cribble. Story time.
What's your story time?
This time I was in Jamaica. Yeah. That's the reason I love crab so much. Back in Jamaica, this is probably like about 5 or so. In Jamaica.
You was 5?
Yeah, about 5 or so, 5 or 6.
Wow.
But you know, in Jamaica, family, for all my Jamaicans, you know crab always walking up on the road. Anyways, the beach is crab. You know, so people just, when the crab don't walk, people just catch them. You know what I'm saying? So, my father, regular crab catcher. So, every night he used to come from work, there's always crabs on the road. So he catch them, right? A lot of crab too. That's why I love crab so much.
Wow.
So, one night, come from work, he caught the crabs, right? So, not that kind of crab, family. He caught the crabs, the crab that walk. Your mind is muddy. Yeah, so he caught them, right? So, hold on, give me some time. So he said he's gonna do a crab boil. So this was late at night. Came home, put on the pot, boil it up, right? Season everything, do everything you gotta do with the crab. Remember, this was at night. Threw the crab them in the pot, family, and put on the lid on the top of the pot. Next thing you know, the crab them crawl out.
What? That's some duffy crab that.
We got a lick over the pot cover. Yeah. Some bad crab, man.
Wow.
Yeah, some big. I'm talking about big crab, you know, no baby crab. You know them Jamaican crabs looking,
the crab in Jamaica,
Yeah, big in here.
their claws is like the size of your hand. No lie.
Bigger than this, way bigger than this. Yep. So, heat over the pot cover. So we all waiting for the crab, them, you know. We went in the kitchen.
They've got.
Oh, the crab gone. Come remember, they look over the top of the pot cover, and it came out.
The water wasn't hot.
The one was hot, but they live on the not there, so they push on the top and pour it on.
Yo.
Family.
Dangerous crab that.
That night, you think anybody could have sleep? Huh?
Cause you guys didn't know where the crab was?
We dig up the house upside down, check bathroom, check the rooms, check the closet. You had crab in the closet.
Yeah?
Yes, crabs under the bed. Huh. All over the place.
What?
Crab was everywhere but not in the pot. Yeah. So, we catch them. Finish doing what we're doing.
Be a lot of smacking, guys.
So the crab them sneak out, family. I said, hell no, you're not eating me today. And this was a long time ago. I was like about 6 or 7. Yeah, I was little. And I still remember the story of this day. Because we I love crabs.
So when you guys caught them, what did you do with them?
We're not gonna finish them. Finish how we start with them, man.
Dangerous crab.
Nobody could have slept that night. Crab was everywhere. Now you know those crabs is big. Alright, family.
If I could find a picture
Yeah. She gonna post it up there.
of Jamaican crab.
Jamaican crab. You're gonna say, what the hell? And those crabs got a lot. What the hell? And those crabs got a lot of meat. Look. Grab right here. I don't want to go in first in the eye. Just pop it open. See? Open. So this. Throw away that. These are the gizzard, whatever. I don't eat that part
Some
in
people
here.
call them dead men.
Yeah, I don't eat those part in here, so I'll take out those. You know what I'm saying? And then we do that. Do that.
What do you do that?
And this is what you're left with. So what I do, half it, and get down and dirty. And get your eagle on.
What?
Drop down and get your eagle on first. Like, you know you drop down and get your eagle on. You remember that, Dan? Drop down and get your eagle on.
Nope.
You know on that? Oh yeah, there was no egg in this one. Hopefully.
That's the only problem.
Yeah, it's a hit or miss. Yeah, and blue crab, it don't got a lot of meat, but you gotta know how to eat it. Okay?
But it's worth it.
Right.
Pepper, guys, pepper. But it's worth it though.
Worth it. So what's up?
This is the whole fun
Yeah.
part about eating the blue crab is finding the meat. Me, I just suck it out. That's how you know.
You suck it out? Suck it out good.
Yep. That's how you know that you didn't overcook your crab because the meat comes out
First
easily.
lady.
I remember eating crab. My mother, you know, back then, you don't have the money. My mom ain't have any money.
They got 2 stories for the price of 1 today.
But as a kid, I didn't know my mother didn't have any money. Everything I wanted, she got me. So, you know?
True fact.
So she would buy a dozen crabs. Back then, a dozen crab was like $5. No lie. And we would get a movie. And she would cool it up. And she would get man, I wish they had some eggs in it, man.
I know. Sorry, family. We trying to get the one with the eggs so you let y'all see.
Next time, when do you think that because they're not in season?
Mm-hmm. Probably.
When they're in season,
Yeah, a lot of eggs.
A lot of eggs.
We gonna next time.
Yeah, but she would buy the crab, and we would went to a movie, and we would sit in the living room, and she'll put a blanket down, and we would be eating crab. It's the best thing ever.
Mm-hmm.
And then she actually did the same thing with our kids. When they came to her house.
You want my napkin? Or you good?
Right now.
Okay.
They spent the whole summer with her. My kids, my sister's kids. With her and my dad. And she did the same thing. When they got crabs, got a blanket. And they sat there and ate and talked.
Yeah.
And I always remember my sister and my mother always finished before me. Because there's 12 crabs, so we each get 4. So my mom would get 4, I would get 4, my sister would get 4. They're on their 4th one, and I'm just finishing my first one.
So first they've been eating slow. Nothing new. You know what I'm saying?
Because
I just had to put that out there.
yeah, because I like to
Disclaimer.
I like to get all my meat. And these are my favorite parts, the claws, surprisingly. So I would eat these first.
Excuse me.
And then eat everything else.
It's a lot of water in there, family.
In order to get your crab juicy like this, after you boil it, have it sit
Give them some tips right there, yeah.
in the water and cool off. While it's cooling off and the crab is relaxing, it's absorbing the water. Ooh, sorry. You could even put ice right on top.
Yep.
And you'd be like, ice? It works, trust me.
Yep.
Because you want something that's gonna cool the water down so that it can absorb in the crab.
Crab tip 101.
And I put a beer in my crab broth too, but I didn't do it this time. But next time I make it, I'm gonna put a beer in there.
You make them junk. You gotta junk them.
Drunk the crab?
Gotta junk the crab, family. Y'all really sitting down there and watch us like that? Come on. I told you it's gonna be a long one. You gotta get into it. Y'all make y'all crabs, man. For real, I ain't gonna lie, because everybody make their crab different, man. You know what I'm saying? Let me know how y'all make y'all crabs. Or if y'all like crabs, you know? I don't know if y'all like it.
True. When the crabs are in season, when blue crabs are in season, the meat is so thick. You know? And they should be. As long as you saw that, all that white meat.
Yeah.
I never know how much crabs we had.
How much you bought? How much you bought?
I don't remember.
Any in the pot? Okay, so we use all of them.
But I don't remember how much I bought.
Need more like 20?
Yeah, I lost my count. I have a story about crab too, but I already told you on the story time. Go check out the video that says.
Which video was there? Yeah. I don't remember.
Check out the video that says an employee told us that he had an STD.
Yeah.
Yeah. If you go watch that video, man, I don't know what that guy was thinking. I'm done now. There's no more crab left. Of course we done.
No eggs to help.
Not one.
We was praying for eggs for y'all. Not even one little orange egg. For your shirt. First lady knit that shirt herself. Look.
No, I did not.
I just lay with y'all. Yes. Yeah, I want to know. You see? Y'all believe too much, man. It looked like she knitted it though. Yeah, it looked like you knitted it though.
Yeah.
Then I said, oh my God, drop the video. Oh,
you know, the family need proof.
They need a proof.
So
First,
you like that? Drop that video.
Yeah, she ain't it. I was just playing with y'all. All right. Pastor Rich. That crab was delicious. As y'all will see in the video. Word of wisdom, First Lady. All right, man.
Wow, I see why you were dipping the crab in that sauce.
I told you. You think I'm lying? That joint was nice with that sauce.
Yeah.
All right. Word of wisdom. Family, don't believe those who tell you they love you. Believe those who show you they do. Okay. Family, you heard me? First Lady, you listen to me?
I did, but there's something splashing my face.
All right. Family, don't believe those who tell you they love you. Believe those who show you they do. Okay?
I can say this for a very special person.
All right.
This is for you. You know who you are.
For that special person, that's for you. From First Lady and Richie. We appreciate y'all. Thank you for stopping by on this show. We shared. So now I want you to like, comment, subscribe. And if you're new, welcome to the greeter. Yo, man, you mess some white shirt in my youth. You feel like, yeah, don't. What man do? Yo, what man do? What man do? When I'm doing my intro, what you call this? We leave it.
You don't even know what it is. Who you talking to?
What you call it when you have to go? Outro.
Outro.
When I'm doing my outro, don't mess me up. Okay. Didn't want to forget now. That's Shanice. This is Richie, aka First Lady Chatty Shanice.
We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to watch us. We will see you next time for another mukbang.
Bye.